Philips Sonicare Toothbrush, post-reset setup. After resetting your Philips Sonicare toothbrush, the next step is to set it up again. The post-reset setup ensures that your toothbrush functions optimally and meets your personal preferences. This process includes reconfiguring settings and syncing with the app. Let's dive into these steps. Reconfiguring settings. Reconfiguring the settings of your Philips Sonicare toothbrush is crucial. It allows you to personalize its performance according to your needs. Follow these steps. 1. Turn on the toothbrush. 2. Access the settings menu. 3. Select your preferred mode, e.g. clean, white, gum care. Adjust the intensity level, low, medium, high. 5. Save your settings. By customizing these options, you ensure a comfortable and effective brushing experience. Syncing with app. Syncing your toothbrush with the Philips Sonicare app enhances its functionality. Here's how to sync it. 1. Open the Philips Sonicare app on your smartphone. 2. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled. 3. Select Add Device in the app. 4. Turn on your toothbrush and follow the prompts. 5. Wait for the app to detect the toothbrush. 6. Confirm the connection. Once synced, you can track your brushing habits and receive personalized feedback. This helps maintain optimal oral hygiene. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching video.